This is the first VHS camcorder ever on your Crazy Wild live stream channel. Alright. So. Wow, I had the perfect solution. This. Oh my goodness.
Dora, Diego, and...
Whoops. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Exciting adventures await you today, so let's go explore while we sing and we play.
Hola, soy Dora.
You can join Dora and Boots on these great Dora the Explorer adventures, now on DVD.
Vámonos, let's go.
You can sing along with Dora in Singing Sensation.
Popping bubbles, pop, pop, pop.
Help save the snow forest in the special double-length episode, Dora Saves the Snow Princess.
Dora, it's snowing.
Try out some super spy gadgets in Undercover Dora.
Rocket sneakers.
And protect the puppies in Puppy Power.
We have saved the puppy.
And you can swim through an incredible undersea adventure with Dora Saves the Mermaids, a special double-length episode.
We're going to need help from all our friends in the ocean to clean up the garbage.
Singing Sensation, Dora Saves the Snow Princess, Undercover Dora, Puppy Power, and Dora Saves the Mermaids are available now on DVD, each sold separately. And be on the lookout for more Dora the Explorer DVDs coming soon.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll see you next time.